In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to speed up a video here in Canva. Now, this is actually really easy to do. Once you have the video which you want to speed up, we simply want to click onto the canvas to enable that video. Then we want to come to playback just here, and then this is where we can speed up. Now, for this example, let me just put this on repeat. Now, this by default is going to be on 1 regular speed. So if we click play, we can see that just like that. But now if we speed up this video by going to playback, let's put it on 1.5. Then if we click play, we can see this video has now sped up. Now, one thing to note as well, when you speed up a video, is going to shorten the time of your video. So the original time for this is 5 seconds, but again, if we now speed this up to 1.5, we can see the video has shortened in length to 3.3 seconds because the video has been sped up. But nonetheless, that's just how easy it is to speed up a video here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.